Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at Faith's Pen. Faith's Pen is on the main road in St. Anne. It was a very popular food stop when you were driving on the main road from Kingston to Ocho Rios. But what happened is the highway opened and the majority of the traffic is now on the highway. So Faith's Pen is not as busy as it used to be. See, I think it's safe to say Faith's Pen is practically, I would say, destroyed based on the level of traffic that was there before. Now, highways are great. Highways are needed. You have to be able to move around the island easily and efficiently. But unfortunately, when you open highways, you change the flow of traffic. And some areas that were dependent on that traffic, they have economic fallout. That's a better word, economic fallout. Now, as we said, this is the main road. The highway was opening in, I think, 2006, and it was definitely a game changer. To get from Kingston to Ocho Rios on the highway, you're looking at 40 minutes. On the old road, you're looking at probably 1 hour, 40 minutes, and if there's an accident or a backup of traffic, it's a problem. Alright, so for those of you who are familiar with this road, you know Faith's Pen is coming up on the left. Now you're going to see how many food stalls are in this area. The government built a special, see, you can pull off the main road, there's parking. That's how busy this place was. The government built this facility for the vendors. Now look at this. This is Faith's Pen. Though 3/4, probably 90% of the stalls are not even in operation. One car parked. Now this other car belongs to a vendor. Maybe the car up there belongs to a vendor too. Nothing is going on for this area. You see how nicely it was set up. This was the spot to stop on your journey from Kingston to Ocho Rios. Very unfortunate, but these things happen, and it's happening in porous because the highway is open and it's taking the traffic off the main road onto the highway. Clarendon Park in Clarendon, same thing. Highway opened. You guys can check out the videos, we have them up. Osborne store on the south coast, same thing has happened. Now the government did try to set up a similar thing like Faith's Pen on the highway, where you could pull off the highway and access the food stalls. But it didn't work. I'm not sure what happened. I'm not sure if they even got it started, but it didn't work. And the people are still here. Even if they had if it was started at the spot by Monique. There's a gas station out there and nothing is going on for the gas station. The gas station has probably 12 pumps and they only operate one. So I don't think moving this to the highway would have been, I think, guys, tell me, did they actually open the area by Monique for the vendors? Or did they... I know that the facility was built out by Monique, because you can see the stalls, the parking is there, the restroom facilities. But if they had opened it, it didn't work. I'm not sure what happened, but if anybody knows, you can leave a comment in the section below. But one thing is for sure, Faith's Pen, nothing like what it used to be. You saw it as we drove through. Definitely destroyed compared to how it was before. And I'm not sure if anything will ever come along to change it. I mean, guys, if you think there's anything that can be done to help Faith Spend, let us know. But I can't think of anything right now. It's been like that for a couple of years. And as you saw how many stalls they had there, and it's just empty. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. We are driving towards Monique now, where we'll get on the highway in Monique. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us today. Leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think about what happened to Faith Spend and what could be done to help Faith Spend get some more traffic. Alright guys, and also, if that food area by Monique, was it ever operational? Did they start there and then just abandon it? Let us know. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.